Find features that distinguish it from other brands for WMQ, 5.1 surround sound speaker system, with 6.5-inch subwoofer stereo. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Product overview. 5.1 home music system, professional grade surround sound effect provides you with a better enjoyment experience. Through the knob, you can adjust the volume of the tweeter and woofer at will. Aluminum heatsinks provide better performance. Acoustic setup. There is a 6.5-inch woofer, 5 1-inch tweeters, 10 2.5-inch mid-range speakers, large volume, and at the same time has a professional-grade sound quality surround effect and excellent sub. Can provide excellent, pure sound quality, so you and your family can enjoy the theater-level sound effects at home. Multiple connection methods. Standard RCA jacks connect to most audio sources. Coaxial and optical inputs allow you to easily connect to your TV, player, or other audio sources. Insert a TF card to play music that has been downloaded. Bluetooth 5.3 connects to your cell phone for more convenient music playback, which can ideal for movies, parties, or gaming. Scenario-rich use. Easy to install, the use of a wide range of scenes, can be used for TV audio, home record player, computer, cell phone connection and many other scenes. Very suitable for watching movies at home with family and friends, parties, enjoy music. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.